Hello and welcome guys, I'm Vivek from Gadgets Pro, and today I'm gonna show you something interesting about video editing, that is green screen effect in KineMaster. So let's start our video by opening empty project, then drag your main background video. You can see here it is a plain background video. Now we don't need the audio of this video, then we will delete it. After this, you need to drag the green screen video layer. Now enlarge it. You can see here it is a green screen video, totally green. After this, you need to click on Chroma Key, then enable it. Here you can adjust the transparency of the green screen layer. So adjust according to your layer. You can see here it is done. The green color of the video is vanished. Now let's export it to the gallery. Wait a while for it's being exported. Now it is exported to our gallery. So let's see the video in full screen. Please like, share. If you have any comment or question, please comment down below in the comment section, and do subscribe my channel for upcoming latest technical videos. Thank you.